Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add card to blockchain.com wallet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you don't have one, you can always go and register to the app. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have, as you can see, the account and the DFI wallet, which you can go and change from. In the bot, we have the home screen, the prices, and the earn option. Also in the top left corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect your bank account to the blockchain, add a card to blockchain.com wallet. First of all, what you need to do is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. In the top left, right, as you can see, we have welcome to blockchain.com. First of all, what you need to do is go and finish your account by verifying your identity, putting all of your stuff about you and yourself, and buying crypto and everything. There you will also have the option to add a card. So basically what you need to do is just go and finish setting up your account. So as you can see, at the moment I am having some troubles with my card. That's why I didn't set up the whole profile, but that's how you can do it. Just go click there and finish that up. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this, guys, really helps us grow the channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be highly appreciated if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, as I said. And as always, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.